Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are especially very delighted to welcome you to the joint conference of 8th Annual Conference on Industrial and System Engineering, or ACISE, and the first International Conference of Ergonomics, Safety and Health 2021. My name is Filiana Olihapsari, Industrial Engineering student from Diponegoro University.
And me, Manuel Sabam, Industrial Engineering student from Diponegoro University. First, I and Philly, we also urge every participants to join this event from home.
We are very delighted to accompany you all to be in this very prestigious event. We would like to say a very warm welcome to our distinguishable guests and thank you for attending our conference today. The Honorable Vice Rector for Research and Innovation of Diponegoro University, Professor Dr. Insinyur Ambarianto, Master of Science.
The Honorable Dean of Engineering Faculty, Diponegoro University, Professor Dr. Insinyur M. Agung Wibowo, Magister Management, Master of Science. The Honorable Head of Industrial Department, Diponegoro University, Dr. Ratna Purwaningsih, Sarjana Teknik, Magister Teknik. The Honorable Chairman, Dr. Engineer Novi. The Honorable Heads of Department in Faculty of Engineering, Diponegoro University. The Honorable President of PEI, Perhimpunan Ergonomi Indonesia, or Indonesian Ergonomics Society, Professor Yasedli, PhD, CPE.
And also to our keynote speakers, Professor Jose Orlando Gomez, PhD, CPE, from University of Rio de Janeiro in Industrial Engineering Department and Graduate Program in Informatics. Professor Paul Yu, PhD, from RMIT University, Vietnam. Professor Juliana Sutanto, PhD, from Management Science Department of Manchester University. Dr. Richard Hanowski and Dodi Santos, Sarjana Teknik Magister Management from Coca-Cola Euro-Pacific Partners Indonesia. And also Dr. Insinyur Heru Prastowo, DEA, from Diponegoro University.
We would also like to welcome our invited speakers. First, we have Associate Professor Freddie G. from Edith Cowan University, Australia. Second, we have Dr. Rifki Ismail, Teknik, Magister Teknik from CBOMS, or Center for Biomechanics, Biomaterial, Biomechatronics, and Biosignal Processing. We also have Professor Dr. Ari Susanti, Sarjana Teknik, Magister Teknik from Diponegoro University, and Dr. Ratna Purwaningsih, Sarjana Teknik, Magister Teknik from Diponegoro University.
Also very grateful and thankful for every sponsor that support and help our event today, especially for Java Tech Agro Persada and CBMS or Center for Biomechanics, Biomaterial, Bioelectronics, Signal Processing. Welcome and thank you for joining us today. And don't forget that in the last day of our joint conference, there will be many awards that every participant can get from the one and only our sponsor, Java Tech Agro Persada.
Yes, that's right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to give you a little insight about this conference that we have today. ACISE is a conference which has been conducted annually since 2014 by Industrial Engineering Department, Diponegoro University as National Conference. And since 2018, ACISE became an international conference.
This year's 8th ACISE will be held together with the first ICESH, an international conference originally instituted by the Perhimpunan Ergonomics. Next, with the situation of the world today, we are delighted to conduct this conference online. We hope that even at the of
this conference will be held for 2 days and plus 1 day for PEI Congress. And this year, the theme that we are bringing up is the roles of information system, human factors engineering, and ergonomics in preparing the post-pandemic new way of working
Ladies
life.
and gentlemen, to ensure comfort and the best experience for everyone at this conference, there are several guidelines that we follow. First, dress appropriately. This is an international event with huge number of participants coming from many countries. So please take a few minutes to try formal attire.
Second, aware of your surroundings. Use seriously when there is a pile of dirty clothes in the corner behind you. Adjust your work setup so that you can make sure you use the virtual background given by the company.
Third, leave the keyboard alone. Since your laptop's internal microphone is inches away from the keyboard, the sounds of your typing will be distracting.
Fourth, we will also recommend you to check your connection first. Or to avoid Zoom meeting problems during the plenary and parallel sessions, because of course we do not want to miss out on ideas that will.
Please set your Zoom so please use paper presenter underscore Anderson.
Sixth, mute the microphone. The honorable speakers will deliver their regret speeches. Other participants the ability to come in and share their thoughts without any distraction at all. Once again, and perfect, and you may find the best experience in this conference.
Seventh, use headset or earphones. Audio output and input may produce a background noise, phone or Bluetooth earpieces that
Stay present. This conference will take around our is you might miss out on key information. Using your webcam, use attentive body language, sit up straight, and do not make a big extraneous movement, and do not let your eyes wander too much.
And that's it for the guidelines we all need to follow throughout this conference. And also, to give more comfort in our own home, we would like to share some safety induction while we watch this conference online. First, this event will be conducted on Tuesday, July 13, 2021 until Thursday, July 15, 2021. Please pay attention to warning signal and please do confirm if there is any simulation of emergency condition or inspection in your area. Thus, if there is a warning signal, we can recognize the situation. Please keep calm and evacuate yourself through emergency exit, then find gathering point nearby. If an earthquake happens, please take cover under your table.
Because we conduct our conference online, it would be very nice if we follow these several online safety inductions. First, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Second, please pay attention to any electrical hazards around you. 3, make sure that your device is working correctly. And 4th, adjust your screen brightness to your comfort.
5th, do stretching every 20 minutes. 6th, do 5M if you are not in your house. 7th, adjust your desk for a comfortable position. And the last, don't do any driving activities during the event. And that's it for the safety induction we all need to follow throughout this conference. In case you missed it, the list is also available in the program book given to you.
Yes, that's right, Philia. And I can see all the participants here cannot wait to start our event today. But before we begin, we will play the Indonesian national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, with all the respect, we are inviting all of the Indonesian audience to stand and sing along to the song at your own home. We would also like to remind everyone to keep muting your microphone to ensure the comfort.
Now, we're going to play a short profile clip of the institutions in Ponegoro.
Diponegoro University has granted 300 also establishes vocational schools to generate a ready-to-work nationally and internationally. Also of knowledge, technology,
by stimulating the stream comes that can be doctorates, professor in Diponegoro University.
now Diponegoro University important aspects of achievement institutionally and student achievement. Diponegoro University both of prestige are increasing. Research University is supported continued increase funding. Total research service funding is 123.7 billion rupiah. It consists of PMBP, the National Competition Research Funding, and Collaboration Research Funding. Improved research. Patent consists of simple international patent, software, and invention. Legal. To support the academic process, Diponegoro University has been improving the student facilities. Thus, also
students about the joint institution today, we are going to play a short profile clip about the Perhimpunan Ergonomi Indonesia.
Indonesia. New as a scientific discipline. Introduced country in the 1960s. Academics, industry players, and government bodies. Seeing the enormous benefits of ergonomics, increased productivity, quality, safety, and health, began to adopt October 10, 1987, at the National Ergonomics Meeting at Institute Teknologi Bandung. The Ergonomics Association, Perhimpunan Ergonomi Indonesia, PEI, PEI has a mission to provide education to use ergonomic methods and approaches in micro and macro ergonomics. Continues to grow to this as members in nearly all regions of Indonesia.
Perhimpunan Ekonomi adalah sebuah profesi wadah tempat berhimpunnya para pakar dari berbagai macam latar belakang keilmuan, sains teknologi, engineering, dan juga psikolog dan lainnya. Semakin kompleks sejauh kita mampu menempatkan manusia sebagai faktor determinan dengan segala kelebihan dan kekurangannya.
Ergonomi Indonesia (PI) telah semakin berkembang sebagai hasil kerja keras dari semua pengurus pusat dan pengurus wilayah. Keluarkan panduan berupa panduan ACISE on Ergonomics and Design, juga IEA Association.
Continue meeting its commitment. A knowledge workshop, an event for the PEI's members to share knowledge, research, software, and research tools. Camp and Paper Challenge, or GoCamp, an annual activity for industrial engineering students. The application of ergonomics, occupational safety, and have programs that positively impact the work in the service and manufacturing industries. Awards PEI members with track records and patents on ergonomics and
ada beberapa hal yang saya tertarik sama organisasi dengan praktisi-praktisi ataupun akademisi yang memang dan handal di bidang ergonomi.
We invite academics and practitioners throughout Indonesia to join us in www.p.
Yes, that's a short glimpse. Coming speech by the chair of ACISE ICESH 21, Dr. Please welcome Dr.
Yosion Utama Dr. Amarianto, Engineering Faculty of President of PEI Perhimpunan Ekonomi Indonesia or Indonesia Ergonomic Association, Professor Yasserli. To our distinguished guests, all department heads of Engineering Faculty of Diponegoro University, all of our keynote speakers and invited speakers, paper presenters and members of the scientific boards, representatives from Indonesian government, industry specialists and NGOs, and all of the participants in this online meeting room. A very good morning to you all. First of all, it is a delightful opportunity for us to welcome you on in the joint conference of 8th Annual Conference on Industrial and Engineering and First International Conference of Ergonomics, Safety and Health 2021. It's held by the Industrial provide a media of collaboration this regional international conference. There were several numbers of publications in the international conference proceeding as well as in international journals. This year is very special because we, Industrial Engineering Department of Diponegoro University, is honored to organize the ICESE together with Perhimpunan Ergonomi Indonesia. So the two reputable institutions best contribution for industrial and system engineering community worldwide. Under the theme of roles pandemic new way of working life, number of paper submissions in this conference had reached more than 120. This shown a great interest for this from the community and from the researcher and practitioner in Italy, Philippines, Taiwan, Malaysia, and reviewers. Hard work of the review board members. All presented papers will be submitted and published in the IEOM Publisher, a Scopus Indexing Proceeding, or in the nationally accredited journal, namely JATI and Ergonomic and K3 Journal of Proceeding Series. This year, I'm privileged to have 6 exceptional speakers as our conference keynotes. The first one is Prof. Paul Yu from RIT from Dodi Susanto, Sarjana Teknik Magister Channel Development and Manager of Coca. Please accept our warm welcome and for welcome Dr. Center of Negara City. Thank you, moderator, as well as Dr. Johanna to express our appreciation for present and knowledge sharing through at home. Last but not least, I would like to say thank you to all the organizing committee members who had put so much effort to prepare these important events in the midst of pandemic situation and all the travel restrictions. Hopefully, this event will become a memorable cooperation for both institutions and continue with other future partnerships. So, without further ado, we shall begin the first day of ACISE. We hope that all the participants will enjoy this conference. And we're looking forward to see you again in the next events. Thank you.
Thank you so much for this speech. Professor Professor Yasir.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Faculty of Engineering, all PI advisors, Pak Sri Tomo, Bu Lince, Prof. Adiat Mika, and Pak Hardianto Iridiasta. We pray to Allah that I would like to welcome all participants to this conference. I'm very grateful that finally we are and help in collaboration with the Department of Industrial Engineering University as dependent or even our yearly National Ergonomics Conference. As